Hello, I'm Nat Thaipun and welcome to the Knockout Kitchen. Here's the challenge. I have no idea what I'm cooking today. It's a mystery. So I'm gonna knock on the algae interview fridge and find out. Ooh, coriander, chilies, lime, coconut milk, chicken. I reckon I know what I'm gonna cook. We're making a Hat Yai Gai. It is a southern Thai fried chicken. First step, toast your spices. We've got cumin seeds and some coriander seeds. Put the toasted spices in with the white pepper and then ground them until it's a coarse grind. After that, add the coriander roots and the garlic whole. You don't need to peel them. And then you add a bit of soy, a bit of fish sauce, sugar, and oil, and mix away. Grab the chicken, put a good glug of coconut milk in it, and then pour the marinade all over the chicken. So in Thailand, we use chicken drumsticks and chicken thighs, but honestly, you can use whatever you want. You want to store it in the fridge for at least 1 hour, but it's best when you do it overnight. We're going to coat the chicken in some rice flour. Rice flour gives it the extra crunch. Now it's going into the algae oven on air fry mode at 200 degrees for about 20 minutes. Oh, it's done. Look at these. We're gonna garnish with some crispy shallot, coriander, and also some finely julienned chili. Yum! Here it is, the southern Thai fried chicken, air fried in the algae oven.